Who is the Prime Minister of India as of 2021? Answer: Narendra Modi. Who is President of India as of 2021? Answer: Ramnath Kovind. Who is the Vice President of India 2021? Answer: M. Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the Finance Minister of India? Answer: Nirmala Sitharaman. Who is the Foreign Minister of India? Answer: Subramaniam Jayashankar. Which is the biggest two-digit number? Answer: 99. Which is the smallest even number? Answer: 2. Who is the Minister of Education as of 2021? Answer: Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Which Indian started the Prabuddha Bharata Journal? Answer: Swami Vivekananda. Who is the RBI Governor of India? Answer: Shaktikanta Das. Who is the Attorney General of India? Answer: K.K. Venugopal. Who is known as the Father of Nation? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the highest dam in India? Answer: Tehri Dam. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer: Hirakund Dam. Which is the oldest dam in India? Answer: Kalyani Dam. Which is the national tree of India? Answer: Banyan tree. Which is the national bird of India? Answer: Peacock. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer: Goa. How many cricket World Cups has India won? Answer: 2 World Cups. Which is the national animal of India? Answer: tiger. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Answer: Dehradun. When is India's Independence Day? Answer: 15 August. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is Gir National Park in Gujarat famous for? Answer: lion. Where is the Gateway of India located? Answer: Mumbai. Which is highest waterfall in India? Answer: Kunchikal Falls. Which is the national fruit of India? Answer: mango. Which is the national flower of India? Answer: lotus. The national river of India? Answer Ganga. Which is the longest river bridge in India? Answer Dhola Sadia Bridge connecting Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the highest peak in India? Answer Kanchenjunga. The second highest peak in India? Answer Mount Nanda Devi. What is the folk dance Andhra Pradesh called? Answer Kuchipudi. Which is the largest state of India by area? Answer Rajasthan. What is the capital of Mizoram? Answer Aizawl. New Delhi is the capital of? Answer India. Which is also called the southernmost Himalayas? Answer Shivaliks. What is another name of Sahyadris? Answer the Western Ghats. Where does Palk Strait lie? Answer India and Sri Lanka. Lithium deposits have been found in which India state recently? Answer Karnataka. What is the name of the pass between Kailas and Manasarovar? Answer Mana Pass. Which pass links Srinagar to Leh? Answer Zojila Pass. What is the imaginary line that divides India to almost two parts known as? Answer Tropic of Cancer. Where is Lake Loktak situated? Answer Manipur. Where does the Narmada river originate from? Answer Amarkantak. Which is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghats? Answer Mahendragiri. Which countries are separated by the Radcliffe Line? Answer India and Pakistan. Which countries are separated by the Durand Line? Answer Afghanistan and Pakistan. Where is India's permanent research station Dakshin Gangotri located? Answer Antarctica. Which cities are called the twin cities of India? Answer Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Which state is called the sugar bowl of India? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Lord Buddha was born in? Answer Lumbini, Nepal. Which reformer was associated with Prarthana Samaj? Answer Atmaram Pandurang. A figure with three sides is known as? Answer triangle. The smallest two-digit number is? Answer 10. A figure which has no sides and no corners are called? Answer circle and oval. When any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. A figure with 4 equal sides is called. Answer: square. What comes before 1000? Answer: 999. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? Answer: 1000 grams. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.